1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ.
Another chance to fellowship. And they continued steadfastly in the apostles' doctrine and fellowship, in the breaking of bread, and in prayers. Acts chapter 2, verse 42, New King James Version. We, as Christians, should be steadfast regarding our commitment to fellowshipping with other Christians. Like the first century church, which is our example, we should make our bonds with other Christians unbreakable. Yes, we are busy, but we still must make the most of our time to be together in unity. Yes, we have priorities, but God and His people should be at the top of that list. And yes, we have things we want to do. How about planning events to do together? We're not just lone soldiers on the battlefield. We are fighting the same fight and striving for the same goal. So let's commit to doing it together, because this is God's blueprint for our relationship with each other. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.